Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I use a clip from. Have you ever wondered what cartoons look like when they are completely altered? Not just edited but transformed. So what you are seeing right now never goes back to normal. In today's video I used a series of, as you can see, something is already wrong. The colors don't behave the way they should. They shift, they invert. Every detail of the original video has been altered. As you can see, there is no clean version, only this. Watch the movement. It feels broken, delayed, and stretched. And it echoes. It distorts. This isn't a mistake. This is intentional. A complete reconstruction of reality. The deeper you watch, the less familiar it becomes. Characters lose their shape, moments overlap, nothing plays the way you expect. Every glitch, every distortion, every frame carefully altered. The colors are inverted, light becomes dark. It loops. Fragments repeat. Moments replay incorrectly.